ya besere MPP mpanyimfo ne party ma mesere mo nya de beboa party no mo nya ade a ebema party ma no amfa nsa reshi mo nya wo party no ebeba billboard no mo si enyiji no de sa na mpanyimfo de aba mo nyina yeni so chama de no kwakwa pia Isaac Bonsu ana Justin Kodua be chi o madam Queen Wakra.
Good afternoon, Dr. Ka. Mr. D.Y. Asarbi, Kasefri Akukare. Say, the country, say, NDC for NHC. And Oma Kasa. She say, on say, Omoto Adedi. Say, and paying for one di face the country. Say, Sikadi, and then they omode. Bye bye.
Ase yawmaha ne adwuma pan na ewani ahiriso atwampo no a ti Dr. Cash die pa ne ntiempe for petitions o mu yeyi ayete se nkrofo bi ase ye koye nim ni aba se dedication is abeko CSS biom kofo de call 4 years aba foforo ba no de aba 3 years we ba no ese die kura no pese mabunu ye aba
Cash, the were in Asqua constituency at the NDC4, NPP rules and regulations, and the bylaws, no, Omo Neshamayana. Mumu send this note was on Neshamayana. Ministers won Pebby Boss Bia, Ashanti region, Ubia Biboha, and what castle go for you to Wusimusen, Yamunimufias and Amon, some NDC4, most of fried rice, Munium, send the brie, Munimufias and what I say. Search amount to me, maintaining what I say, and 20 TV, colored Enkofa Black and what touch amount to me, we a guy, you're the rough.
Cash afternoon afọkọ akronom cash na MPP for do muye we break 8 no ye to bakura ni na bia mo pede bodi mampani ngwase party mo haye ba ma haye na do kware wa haye party no wa se party ni kra ama be no ya to ba fimu ni mo pede bodi mampani we but 8 mo pede bodi na paso
Good afternoon, Dr. Cash. With the official pa, Diane Andy, Kasefri in Kawe Wenchi. With the Mamencha Miami former DC, on Abu Asari Bedia Fadu Nafen Obama. Dr. Cash, MVP need more men, MVP did not die in 20 boor men. Said DC, what who was some way. Billboard racing another door can was a moment yet and we won't trade was a billboard, the Bayaba Umia, 2024 Canada Donamunko. Bye bye.
Kaje frame say du mikasa frita fozongo kaje kamia kwa ese abibia zika wombia no na aban ni di akire ukofa e-levy abeto yeso teacher say omumpe laptop chinchina atwen odeje omo jise tese di zika wombia na aban no ndwene ye ho ono zika penko na wo na ni so 2024 not na nado ne nkofo nyina MPP beko
Dr. Cash, speak OTD. Doctor, me bo NPP from Penyifo Baso say omudumu 9 esi fama. Pay boss a petit krom ha nyina no omututuo. Ba be say omumu adwumaden, omunye ya kwan ma yen. Ye hospitals, bridges, and for my yen no elbet ma win power e dia mo.
Dr. Cash, good evening. Me chow no be your phone. Kase France Francia from Australia. They did now back up. Kase France Francia. Dr. Cash, MPP for yes realm. Kumasi akwan nyina asese. Yes realm. Omo nye kumaso kwan maye. Ansana for yes na dru. Sisi nipa ni abre o. Momo fa ye be dia agro. Yes realm no mo nye kumaso kwan maye. Cash oni nya menya adwuma. Bye bye.
Dr. Cash memoir heavy ya mankwani atwuma gogo na mdo bedro be dia ma mesto Dr. Cash kakra me kan say wo hwe enhye mudi a yempanimfo ba beti no kumasi a e besere mpanimfo say communicators ya wo party no mo no mpanimfo modernity beti media ka ye ne ye to aba eyi mpanimfo no ho se de be ye beti me abo ma bia wie pe sanse nhu de ubuni a ye kofa adwene ewo be bia ya yemfa ne kan
Cash, good evening. Also, Jenny, me say, meton sanko bona nado. Any osafuma fudria say, setemo omudu omumba, eshe ejuma mono. Abajuma so mutia 100 million. Ansana omudu omumba eshe ejuma mo. Ye me school ne kope ejuma mo. Omaka chese in 100 million. Me bomb mo say yes.
Dr. Cash, Aliu Abrantini, Ehazongo. Dr. Cash, Chiawano Abejo phone. Dr. Cash, Esan Amamotan Tinety. One say I got 2 days per na ND MPP for Congress number. And so one TB hours and Timemoha, which repefe say 2024 day, Asantima will reject MPP. Dr. Cash, only Yamin.
Hello, Cash, Mitzi. I want me Juma Cash. Ose kofi asema woken kasa woka kromfo me na me ka senka obi kromfo aka omo ka mo be kasa me kasa honti ono ti hono a wo bɔ krono din no mbanifo na ka asem bi se beifo na nim no yonko beifo o me da se obɛbɔ abɔ o mo so agyan ai bye bye.
Hello, Dr. Cash. Na we me mo ha ba ija market frame for rampon Sunday slippers zilla. Doctor, me nko for MPP for pa o me hwehwe ni mu papa. During the COVID era, we pa wo bia pese o kire say wo yo goro party ni maden. Akoye we now the sisi sana e kire say munya sa de na emwa ye munya
abwajini nwa bieja amo mai MPP abanhwe basic school ni yi na nya kono ye se omomunya alamba omia no nya de enyani ye nya dwuma o ye nya dwuma yutu no na kofo ye nya dwuma na munya asantema kwan buankra ilan port nwa bieja no constituency be he ya kwan so yamna ne nemu ye bre
Dr. Cash, good evening. In fact, Dr. Cash, my way the name uncle you, name uncle you, so coca, Obijana baby, I want to ask you, or more money can be dinner, the omuch, or more journey say, name a quay by a unity in the massa. You near my soul, my name, then Okata, then I didn't near to Aden. Also, I'm penning for no come home no more ye, yes, I dear, Neka Kwandi and Kuyu, Dr. Cash, winning a million.
Good afternoon, Catch. Munta Aswansi Makera, baby Honorable Joseph Yamino Obia Etiano. Catch Omanpay on Dini Huo, Ghana no enyo no kwani dia, Ghana no kwanyani dia, Catch na wabetse de yenye beya mano. De yenye peno no obeye enye de ono no pe. Se okwako ton play fufro. Ebi si da.
Otek 102.9 FM, the pride of Ashanti.
Drop rim. On Otek 102.9 ya koya ya sanyaba. Afina do kasa fidia to ebusu akwa basronko na mede ma quickly into studio B. Patrick.
Kashi.
Na obom je saying.
Aja.
Say waka say we on wato.
Entimi nya papa sa.
Say oba odimirika say den say oba kasa mama waka say we. Say wato.
Na say yenya kran kasa. Yenya kasa.
Kateche free fa say he cares for the youth. My God, he cares for the youth. The budget is there. The only thing in the budget is not the e-levy. There are other parts a akolebi a uchire ni mu no betumi take advantage. Enti me kwesi me ba me political zone page so a dia me ye ne say me kire budget ni mu dia me mpeno meka dia me peno meka na dia minim so obi kwa wo benya moa no me kire ni mu na daachi bi ana so ochine bi opportunity bi ba wono so de ne ho ahye ho okateche afrifa. What are you doing with your page? You couldn't even manage a simple being a radio host on the show. You couldn't curtail yourself. You couldn't even humble what just went to me and say. And like I say, birds of the same feathers always confuse their motherfucking owners. Birds of the same feathers, they don't fly together. They confuse their owners. And it's a fact. Captain Smart from Kumasi radio station went to me and handle no. Look at the track record these people have, Ghana youth. You are telling me, say, yan to ND single, yan to NPP single, yan to CPP, you be angry and offer alternative bayan or Katechi free fa. Captain Smart, who couldn't even humble himself to be a common radio host on a simple radio show. Are you guys kidding me? In any case, why no bet me me say I went to a Captain Smart factory be a web beer or employing for best 600 crowd. But look at the lavish life he's leading. And you know why he's living that life? He's living that life because me and you has made it so. We have failed to cross-check the bullshit they spew to us when they come on their platforms. We let sentiment set in and we take our political stance, and the main issue is lost. Yet the Saglime Joe be $179 million a year. The thing is not completed. Yet the NDC and MPP beton chain.